In this video, we'll review Ally Invest's options trading platform, exploring its features, usability, and ideal user. Check the description for Ally Invest links. Ally Invest is perfect for cost-conscious traders wanting simplicity, competitive pricing, and straightforward options trading tools. A standout feature is its low-cost structure, 50 cents per contract with no base commission, making it incredibly affordable, especially for smaller volume traders. No account minimums and transparent pricing attract beginners and casual traders avoiding high fees. The user-friendly platform boasts an intuitive design, simplifying trade placement. Ally's options trading module easily creates single and multi-leg strategies like spreads, straddles, and strangles, visually breaking down potential profit and loss for informed risk assessment. Integrated research tools, including screeners and market data, guide trading decisions. While not as advanced as some competitors, they suffice for most retail traders seeking informed decisions without overwhelm. Real-time data and customizable watch lists enhance monitoring and analysis for active traders. Robust customer support, including live chat and phone, quickly addresses inquiries, benefiting new traders needing platform guidance. While highly accessible, Ally Invest may not suit advanced traders needing cutting-edge analytics or complex strategy optimization tools. It prioritizes simplicity over complexity, ideal for beginner to intermediate traders. In summary, Ally Invest's options trading platform is perfect for cost-conscious traders prioritizing affordability and ease of use. New to options or a low-volume trader, Ally Invest offers a reliable, no-frills solution to get started.